Good morning, respected teachers and my dear followers. Today I am talk about a very important topic on my presentation: money versus wealth, which is more important and why. Before sharing my opinion, I would like you to briefly explain my topic. Money refers to the cash or income into your pockets, and you can need a daily life. Uh, uh, wealth is uh, Wealth is your saving properties or assets, or you can buy any plot or any place and your children's use in the future. From my point of view, I says that wealth is more important because it provides financial stability. Money is a tool to build wealth. I can explain logics and reason to explain my example. Reason, if to many people confuse that wealth with a big paycheck, but they are not same. Money is your money flowing into your pockets while wealth is your business to invest, or you can get more money from your business. I think that wealth is more important. I explain my example. If two persons get bonus from boss, $5,000. Person one can buy a fancy TV, and they can spend $5,000 on to go a weekend, and they are weekly. They are sometimes they are richer, but they are very weakly from financially and wealthy. Second person can invest $5,000 into a bank, and this bank can pay back 7% every, and bank can pay that 7% every year. After 30 years, the 7%, the $5 will be 500 $5,000 will be converted 37,000 dollars. It is very important that you can say that I am say that wealth is more important. Than to conclude my presentation, I would like to say that wealth is more important because they can provide financial stability. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening my topic. Can you ask me any question?
Brother, why do you choose money?
I don't choose money, I choose wealth.
Money provides you can grab solution in the money.
I have a question. You say you choose wealth, and if you did not buy any properties like building, you can say you can transfer and spend money in bank, and yes, that are money not wealth. How you can.
I explain you, your question is good, but I explain you are saving your money in bank, they are converted into wealth because they are converted into wealth.
You can buy a property, apartment, building. That's not money.
You can see on page, wealth is wealth in the form of saving properties, or you can invest in bank. You can see on
I
page.
can see. I know. I can see. Wealth is not a saving. Saving is money. Okay. If you want to stable financial, you need to invest in buildings, apartments, and home. Anything which provides financial stable. Bank is money, not a wealth.
Bank convert your money after 10 years or 20 years ago. They can convert it $5,000 to $35,000 and $20. They are in $20,000. They are in the form of savings, and savings is also known as wealth.
You have a.
Brother, you said that money is a bank is a business. Business or many businesses like bank is invest other businesses. So bank is not a money. Bank is a business mindset and to open the other
Yes,
businesses.
your point of view is good, but I say that you can saying bank is a business,
Yeah.
and someone person can deal bank. I say that you are investing some money in bank. You can invest money in business, but I say that you can invest money in bank they can convert it into savings, and savings is also known as wealth.
But
Sometimes the
different.
bank is don't give you all monies, because bank is provide part of the monies, short monies to back with you. The bank statement or bank figures have a wealth or money.
I have no experience about it because I have not invested my money in bank, but I have some example about it.
Very clap for Shubham.